Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Toyota Corolla. This car have a problem, power steering light on, engine light on, and here you can see check power steering and then check engine or speedometer not working. This is the problem customer told me when he drive, and suddenly it happened like this. So I check with my diagnosis tool and I got fault P0500 vehicle speed sensor VSS. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, here's the engine room. First of all, we check ABS, remove ABS wire and check with tester voltage or ground is there or not. Tester fix with ground, remove ABS wire. Here you can see I already remove ABS wire and check positive is there, positive is there, perfect. Now check ground wire. Tester fix with positive and check ground wire also perfect. Check with multimeter and now ignition on and check here this wire. Here you can see 12 volt is there. Okay, this is 12 volt wire and middle one is ground. So now we check ground. It's here you can see ground also perfect. That means sensor have some problem. This is output wire. Okay, everything is perfect. Now we replace one speed sensor and check. So I remove speed sensor. Here you can see location is here. Here is the wiring is perfect. And then I remove a front cover to check, and here you can see this is damage. That's the issue. See, inside broken. That's why speedometer not working. I replace another sensor. Here you can see this is old one. Now we check, fix all cover and everything. Okay, now start car. Put to reverse. Here you can see now working, before not working. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. And power steering light also gone. When I reset engine light also perfect working. Okay, thank you.